We are continuing with the similarity. Here in the given figure, DE is given parallel to BC. He's saying that AD is 3.6 centimeters. AB is, entire AB is 9 centimeters. So this is 9 centimeters, entire AB, right? AE is given 2.4 centimeters and we have to find EC, right? So we will write, since DE is parallel to BC, therefore AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Reason will be BPT, basic proportionality theorem, right? Now AD is given, DB is not given, but AB is given how much? 9 centimeters, right? AD is also given 3.6 centimeters. So we can calculate DB. How? AB minus AD. That's how we can calculate DB. So DB will be, AB is 9 minus 3.6. So that is 10 minus 6 is 4. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5.4 centimeters. Now we will substitute these values here. I have got AD as 3.6 upon DB is 5.4. AE is 2.4 and EC is something that I have to calculate. That's what he wants me to do, right? So this decimal and this decimal will go. I will be left with 36 upon 54 is equal to 2.4 upon EC. So 9 4s are 36, 9 6s are 2 2s are 2 3s are. So 2 EC, if I cross multiply, is equal to 3 into 2.4. So my EC will be 3 into 2.4 upon 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So EC will be 3 into 1.2, which is 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3.6 centimeters. So I have answered the first part. Now for the second part, he has given AD by DB as 3 upon 5, right? And AC is also given 5.6 centimeters and he wants me to calculate AE, right? So the triangle will be like this. This will be my A, B, C, and this is my D and E. AD by DB is given 3 by 5. AD is 3, DB is 5. Value of AC, entire AC is given 5.6 centimeters and he wants me to calculate AE. So let this be X. Then EC will be 5.6 minus X, right? Why? Because entire AC is 5.6. So if I have kept this as X, then EC will be 5.6 minus X, right? Now, since D is parallel to BC, I will again write since, then only I can apply the basic proportionality theorem. Since D is parallel to BE, therefore AD upon DB will be equal to AE upon EC. Now I have all the values. Let me substitute those. So I have AD as 3, DB as 5, AE as X and EC as 5.6 minus X, right? So cross multiply, I'll get 3 into 5.6 minus X is equal to 5X. 6 3s are 18, 5 3s are 15, 15 and 1 becomes 16. So this is 16.8 minus 3X is equal to 5X. So if I shift this to this side, I'll get 16.8 is equal to 8X, or my X will be 16.8 upon 8. So 8 2s are 0.1. So I have got the value of X as 2.1 centimeters. But X is my AE. So my A is 2.1 centimeters. So I have answered the second part also. Then I have to answer the third part where he's saying that if AD is X, so let me make a triangle here. Now this time, again the measurements have changed. This is D and this is E. DE is parallel to BC. So now AD is X, DB is X minus 2, AE is, this part is X plus 2 and EC is X minus 1, right? And I have to find the value of X. Now again, since DE is parallel to BC, therefore AD upon DB will be equal to AE upon EC. Basic proportionality theorem, right? Here also we will write by basic proportionality theorem. You should always write this reason whenever you are writing any geometrical statement. You have to write the reason for that. So let's substitute the values now. We have AD as X upon X minus 2 is equal to X plus 2 upon X minus 1. Now I will cross multiply. I'll get X square minus X is equal to X minus 2 into X plus 2. So X square minus X, A minus B into A plus B becomes A square minus B square. So X square minus 4. X square and X square will go. Minus X equals to minus 4. So X equal to 4. That's what he wanted us to. Now since he has given these measurements in centimeters, so X will be 4 centimeters.